Hello, and welcome to Zoom and Groom's training website. You are currently on the Navigation tab. Here at Zoom and Groom, this training website will teach you all about the history, mission statement, and location of Zoom and Groom, how to properly answer phones, how to accurately set appointments, and how to properly file documents. If you click on the Orientation tab, it'll allow you to be acquainted with the history about Zoom and Groom as well as locations and different positions. You can go ahead and then hit how to answer phones. And here it will be an interactive tutorial about how to answer phone calls as well as directing phone calls and customer service. You will then go ahead and click on the Appointments tab. And you will learn all about how to schedule appointments and which tools are necessary in order to schedule appointments. Lastly, you can hit the Filing tab and you'll press play to view how to file at Zoom and Groom. Thank you, and go ahead and proceed.